Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson. She has quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She is 9 years old, and she's here with her grandfather. This is Ruel, and he is providing entertainment. So what we have on are ski boots, and it's just a way to give a little bit more stability to her legs so that she can practice more independent standing. Oh, look at Buzz. Get it, Alexis. Can you reach up and get him? I heard about this at a conference to try ski boots to just give a little bit more stability, a little bit down and forward. There you go. Uh-oh. Nice, Alexis. Nice, Alexis. I see. You got him? Okay. Take him back and let him fly some more.
Let's let him fly.
And I do find that they provide some interesting stability. Alexis, go get it. Go get it, Alexis. Go get it, Alexis. And you can see that her hamstrings really pull her back because they're tight, and she wants to crouch. So this is a really fun place to work on standing balance. Nice job, Alexis. I see you. Go get it again. Get it, Alexis. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job, Alexis. I saw it. These are adult-sized ski boots, and that way I can have her inside of her orthotics. I should have had the video running while I was trying to get her feet in there. It was a tight fit. They also work on, in the workshop, they talked about walking in them. I think they're pretty heavy for walking for her, but clearly she wants to. Alexis, can you stand up one more time because it's time for us to say goodbye? I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. You gonna stand up one last time? Stand up, Alexis. Oh, she's walking. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.